Hello and welcome back again, my friend, to the Bitcoin price prediction or Bitcoin forecast or BTC price prediction. This is Thomas with you again, guys. We came back in another video. And as you see, guys, here, the daily candle, how it finished here, it gave us here that nice two candles here. That one here, that red one here of Monday, and that one of today. So, guys, what that indicating to us, both of them, they came in a very stronger supply and demand zone. Last time from here, the market, he bounced up till here. Now me, I think, personally, from here, we're going to go back upward here again. But we have here a trend line here, as you see it. So we need to make a close eye at it. By the way, to see the trend line very, very clear, you change it from here, from candles to lines, like that. As you see it now, how is it? You came here, like that. So now you need to wait in the market to come and to break here. That's a daily candle to close here, because the line chart, they calculating the close. They don't calculate in the normal candles, the range or something like that. Those ones, they calculating just the close. So if you change it now to the candles, you will find the trend line is different. I think the picture is getting too clear to you guys, but don't worry, guys. And me personally, I think the market is going to go higher, guys. So let's wait in the coming days what they are going to tell us. So now we need that one here. That downtrend also we draw in here. We need it here to come and to close here a candle. That is going to indicate in the market will go higher till here. Till the top of that inside bar also we talking about before. If you remember it, by the way, that one here and that green one here. What else we said? We said we need to wait a candle to come to close like that or like that. And if the market came back upward till here, guys, it's going to give us in the monthly a very, very nice pin bar like this. Now, if you go into the monthly, you're going to find it till here, till that place here. But let's hope the end of the month is going to give us here a pin bar, and that one is going to be a very, very good signal indicating that we are here in the bottom. But if it's not, that's when we're going to fall down more, guys. So let's wait in the coming days. And me, I tell it to you before, guys, I told you here and here, for us to enter long here, we need a candle to come to close above that top of that inside bar. For us to enter short, we need a candle to do like that. That is going to indicating for us the market is going to go to 10k. And for the people that just came now, also we enter from here, guys. When the FTX collapse and all those things, us the only channel would give people to enter. And in yesterday video, also we tell people to enter from here, and look where we are here. That only for scalpers. For long-term investors, forget about everything. Believe me when what I'm going to tell you now. Make it like an advice from a brother of you. He's older than you. I don't know how you big brother here, his age. Believe me in that. I am old in that market and I know what I'm talking about. You are in a level, forget about everything. Don't listen to the media. Don't listen to the social media. Don't listen to everything. All those things, it's just noise, guys. It's just noise. You here started buying once a week, once a month, once a day, depending how much money you earn and how much capital you earn. That's it. The only thing, use a hard wallet and move your crypto to a hard wallet. That's the only advice I can tell you guys. Everything is too clear? By the way, yes, you, my friend. Are you not yet subscriber? Make sure to subscribe to our channel and turn the bell notification on to receive all our latest updates and videos. Plus, every day, guys, we put in for you 2 videos. Every day, 2 videos. One after the European market close and one after the daily candle close. So like that, you're going to be very, very, very well updated about what the Bitcoin doing right now. Or you can even join us in Telegram. The link of our Telegram is in the first comment. So like that, you're going to be notified more quicker than here in YouTube. Because here in YouTube, they don't want to send notification about crypto and those things. So if you want to be notified more quicker, you need to join us in Telegram. The link of our Telegram is in the first comment. You done it? Now let's go into see the coming news for tomorrow, guys, for the picture to be more clear to you. Here we are, guys. As you see that the coming news for tomorrow. Actually, tomorrow we got a very, very big day and full by news. So as you see what we got tomorrow, we got that one, German manufacturing PMI. So if you trade in Forex, it's got a very huge impact about the euro because as majority of you, the one, Germany is the country who holding all the European Union. So if the manufacturing of them doing well, the euro it will go up. If it's doing bad, the euro it will falling down. And what we got that one of UK. As you see them, they are going to come at 9:30. Then we got at 1 o'clock, bill within permit of USA. Then we got durable goods orders of USA and initial jobless claims. That's when people they're losing the jobs of them at 1:30. Plus at 3 o'clock we got new home sales of USA. Then at 5:30 we got crude oil inventory. That one, all those ones they don't got that big impact. The only thing we got a big impact is that one, guys. Is it at 7 o'clock? The Fed meeting or FOMC meeting. That one is got a very huge impact about the market because over here that when is going to happen, the voting from the Fed members, what they are going to do, they are going to increase rate more. They are not all those things. You're going, if you follow TV, you're going to hard hawkish, dovish, all those words. So that when you're going to hard it, guys, that are voting and that is going to tell you the decision. What is it? So you need to make a close eye what is going to come from the media. Picture is too clear, guys. And here what we got, our friend, the table of us. That one us we follow it every day. What it telling us, guys, here, the table of us here, as you see it, as you see. All US stocks today, they are green. Dow Jones, SP 500 and the Nasdaq, all of them, they are green today. Today it's been a very green day. And our friend, that one, us, we follow it every day, guys. What it telling us? It's the VIX. What it telling us? The VIX, today it's falling down. It fall down below the 22, guys. We break it down. Also, we are 21. We are very close, guys. As I tell it to you, we need to be below 20. Also, we are 21. Let's hope by the end of this week, we're going to come down below 20. And that one is the right moment for you to buy, guys. Start at DCA. We are very close to the bottom, guys. Forget about everything, all that noise. They just playing at your emotion, guys, to lose hope in the market and to sell at losses. We are very close. That's what me being telling you, guys. And another thing here, the dollar, guys, the dollar index, what it telling us, also we still above that 106. So also we are 107. That's something bad. But let's wait in the coming days and tomorrow the Fed meeting, what they are going to tell us. Maybe the US dollar is going to fall down or maybe it's going to go back up. So let's wait in the coming days, guys, what the market is going to tell us. Now it's going to see our indicators, guys, what the same for the picture to be more clear to you. Here our indicator, guys. By the way, I know you are subscribers. Smash the like button, my friend. Please support us, guys. We want that video. We want it to reach at least to 40 likes. So pause the video now, smash in the like button, please. You done it? Please write with it a comment. Because those comments, they help, guys. You don't know how much those comments, they helping. You done it? Thank you very much, my friend. Here we are, guys. In our indicator, it's staying here at the oversold area. Level, we are in a very stronger level. By the way, that one is the yearly level. That one here, where we are. Price action we got is that inside bar, guys. That one. If it doesn't being broke, there is no entry, guys. Yes, there is a scenario you can enter from here, to that level. But for daily, it's nothing, guys. For daily, at least we need to enter from here to the top here. That's what I told you. We need to wait in a confirmation. So we need to wait in a little bit, guys. When there is a buying opportunity, I'm going to tell it to you. Everything is too clear. Now let's go into the 4 hours to see what is it there for picture to be more clear to you, guys. Here we are in the 4 hours. Here in the 4 hours, what I told you in the last video. I told you we got a divergence in the weekly, in the daily, in the 4 hours, and even in 30 minutes. Here in that level. The market, it bounced up till here. Till that level where we are here. Should you buy now? No, my friend, no. I told you here in the 4 hours, it's need the market to break that level here. If it doesn't break in that level here, there is no entry yet. I tell you all those things. It might from here. It will go just till here, and after that you're going to see it falling down. So you need to make a close eye at that trend line as we draw in here. Yes or no? So now that the first scenario, guys. Second scenario, what is it? Second scenario is that one. If the Bitcoin came here and a candle came like that and closing below that level here, we need to enter short, guys. Picture is too clear to you, guys. But here who make me thinking of the buyers, they came back, guys. Oh, is our friend, guys. Look at it. If we come here and we zoom in like that, what you seeing, guys? Here in that level here. Forget about the past, just focus it with me here. Who is winning here? Look here and look here. Who is winning? Is only the greens, guys. The reds here, make a close eye at the reds here. They are lower, guys. The only times the volume it spike with greens. Yes or no? But when big whales, they enter into the market, guys. So you need to make a close eye at that one, guys. Everything is too clear, guys. Now let's go into our indicators. What the same for the picture to be more clear to you. Our indicator, as you see it, as we show you here, we got a divergence here in the last video in the 4 hours. Then it came till here. What me I told you, guys. People they being follow me. What me I told you here at that level here. Who is controlling here? Yes, you are right, my friend. Over here is the bears who controlling. There is no balls here controlling. And here that wall as we have here in the middle, that the wall between the bears and the bulls. So when the bears they control and should you buy? No, my friend, not yet. And here in the top what we got? We got here a downtrend of the divergence. The one will push down that Bitcoin when that FTX started. Also, by the way, we spotted that's falling down before even FTX decided. Everything is too clear, guys. So now here we need to wait a little bit. We need to wait in that one to break at least here for us to enter. Everything is too clear. We're going to see our other indicator what it's saying for the picture to be more clear to you guys. That one here, as you see it, we are here at the oversold area level. We are in a very stronger level. Should we buy? Only if the price action meet, guys. That price action we have here. It's need that one to break up here. If it's breaking up here, we will enter long. If it doesn't, there is no buying, guys. Where is the take profit? Take profit here, near to the 200 moving average or here. So also we will wait in here the break, then we will enter from here till here. Maybe we're going to go back inside. Maybe we just touch in here that level. Then after that, we're going to drop, guys. Everything is too clear, guys. Now let's go into 30 minutes to see what is it there for the picture to be more clear to you. Here we are, guys, in 30 minutes. Here in 30 minutes, what me I told you in the last video here, that level here. By the way, as we tell you to enter from here. But in the last video being here, I told you over here, you need to start thinking of to protect yourself. Why? Because you are here at the overbought area in 30 minutes. We are talking here about scalpers and day traders, not long-term investors or swing traders. Here, we said we got here a channel here. People they being with us. That 2 days we say that. We said if it's breaking here, you enter long. It's breaking here, so all of you enter long till here. Till that zone here. So people they enter from down here, we tell them over here, they need to start thinking of to protect themselves. How to protect yourselves? There is a lot of lessons online if you are a scalper. Scalping is too dangerous, guys, so you need to know how to protect yourself, and when you are in profit, to know how to lock the profit. That's something else. And here, guys, what we got here in that level here now. Look with me here and here. What the Bitcoin giving you here. It give you here a flag, guys. Look at it. Now you're going to wait in if that flag is going to be broken up. That means we're going to bring that level here and we're going to follow it till here. If it's not, that another scenario is going to fall down and to break lower here, and then also we will enter short from here to downward, guys. How we going to know all those things? By our indicator. Let's see our indicator what it's saying, guys. Our indicator what it's saying, guys, here. We are here at the overbought area. That's why me I told you before, you need to start thinking of to protect yourself and to take some of the profit. Another thing here, very, very important here in the 4 hours, guys. Look with me here. What you see in here. He give you here a cup and handle, but he couldn't break the top of it here. Yes or no? Here in 30 minutes. But you got something else here, a head and shoulder, guys. You see it or no? Look with me here. Look here. I will not draw in top of it. Look here. That the shoulder, that the head like that, and that the neck shoulder, guys. Yes or no? Where is the neckline? The neckline is here. So now if it came a candle and break the 200 moving average up, you came here, you calculating from down here till up here, guys. So the Bitcoin will go till here at least. You see it or no? But that one is just a head and shoulder, guys. Now us, we follow our indicator telling us we need to take profit. We take some of the profit and we will look in what is left. So if the Bitcoin continue going up, it's okay. We will take in more profit. If the Bitcoin falling down and breaking that lower here of that channel like that, came here and break it here, we'll enter short again, guys. Everything is too clear, guys. But me personally, I think the Bitcoin it will go higher, guys. It will go maybe till here, till that zone here. Everything is too clear, guys. So that's it for that video. See you after the European market close. Bye for now, guys.